Hey guys, this is Austin with Walton's TV, and welcome to the VacMaster VP215 Chamber Vacuum Sealer product review at waltonsinc.com. Let's jump right in and quickly run through the specs on the VacMaster VP215. First off, we've got a heavy-duty quarter horsepower oil pump. We've got 10-inch removable seal bars, double seal wire, stainless steel body, digital controls, and an easy-to-read analog pressure gauge. A maximum vac bag size of 10 inches wide by 13 inches deep, with the entire chamber size being 11 inches wide and 15 inches long and 5 inches deep. And overall dimensions of 14 inches wide by 20 inches deep and 15 inches high, with a total weight of 84 pounds as well. And the accessories included are going to be 2 filler plates, a maintenance kit you see on the table here, a manual, instructions, plus 75 free vacuum pouches, 25 in each size of the 6x10, 8x12, and 10x13. Now I want to jump into my first impressions on the VacMaster VP215. I really like this vacuum sealer. It's surprisingly quiet. I really expected the VP215 to produce a lot more noise during the vacuum and sealing, but I was extremely happy with how quiet it actually is. It costs more than non-chambered units you might use at home, but the reliability, the vacuum, and the seal on this unit is much better. Plus, the vacuum sealer bags cost 75% less for a chambered pouch than your typical non-chambered pouch. A typical 8x12 pouch for a non-chambered machine costs 20 cents each, while a chambered pouch for a machine like this one can cost only 5 cents or less. So if you save 15 cents per bag, that can save you hundreds of dollars in a year when you're buying your vacuum pouches. So now what about the unboxing and first use? It comes with an extremely heavy-duty box and really good packaging. When I unboxed our demo unit here, I cut out one side of the box so I could fold it down and just slide the vacuum sealer out. At 84 pounds, it was just too heavy to pick up and lift out of the box. As soon as we got it unboxed, the first thing that we did and what you're going to want to do is read the manual. Doing this, you'll see that the first thing that you actually have to do with the machine is add oil to it. A bottle of the vacuum pump oil is included, and it also has a small squeeze bottle that is used to fill the oil in the back of the unit. To add oil, simply remove 4 screws off the back of the panel, unscrew 1 bolt called the oil fill bolt, then use the oil bottle with the spout to add oil in the back until the oil level is about half to about 3/4 visible in the sight glass. This is going to be approximately 3 to 3.5 ounces of oil. Then replace your oil fill bolt, reattach the back panel, plug in the cord, and you're ready for your first use. So let's see what the operation on the VP215 is exactly like. It's extremely simple. All you're going to do is plug it in, you're going to release the lid lock, and you're going to turn the red power switch on the side from position 0 to position 1. The LED control panel is going to turn on. You place a bag inside the chamber, choose your settings, close the lid, and it's going to begin to vacuum and seal. To adjust any of the timing and control settings, press the set button on the front of the control panel and change the setting until the setting you want to change is illuminated. Then just press the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the timing. Continue to press the set button to cycle through 3 options of vacuum time, sealing time, or cooling time. For the machine to run, you can't be in the edit mode, so continue to press that set button until all function lights are off before you can close the lid to activate the vacuum and seal process. The recommended baseline settings are going to be 40 seconds of vacuum time, 1.2 seconds of sealing time, and 2 seconds of cooling time. However, if you need to change anything, they can be changed very easily, and they will be remembered for each use, and they will become the new default on the machine each time you turn it on. For best practices though, and to extend the life of your seal bar, if you increase the sealing time, always increase the cooling time as well by at least that same amount, and it's recommended to have the cooling time twice as long as the sealing time. Other tips and tricks to remember are to only use the lid lock when the machine is actually turned off. After you use the vacuum sealer every time, sanitize it. Sanitizing after each use is easy. The easiest sanitizer to use is the Walton's Hard Surface Sanitizer. It's a no-rinse, incidental, food contact safe sanitizer. Simply wipe off any visible particles after you use the vacuum sealer, spray on the sanitizer, let it sit for 60 seconds, and it's clean. You can put it back into storage until your next use. Then always use the filler blocks that are included in here as well. They take up a lot of extra space in the chamber, which means less air is in the chamber, and thus your vacuum times will be less. If you remove these filler blocks, you're probably going to need to increase your vacuum time. At waltonsinc.com, you always get free standard shipping on orders over $500. So this unit does ship for free all day, every day, all year long. And if you can find some of the lowest prices on chambered vacuum sealer bags as well at waltonsinc.com. To find these refill bags, just visit waltonsinc.com and look under packaging and vacuum pouches for either the Walton's 100 count chamber vacuum sealer bags or you can buy the Walton's pouches by the case in either 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, zippered, windowed, safe handling printed, boilable, or gold foil varieties. If you have any other questions, visit waltonsinc.com and ask a question on the VP215 product page, or visit our community site at meatgistics.com to ask any questions about meat processing and vacuum sealing. Make sure you guys subscribe to Walton's TV, like and comment on this video, and visit waltonsinc.com or meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm Austin with Walton's TV, and I'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Walton's TV to watch more YouTube videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. You can also watch more videos from Walton's TV by clicking here or clicking here.
Guys, this is Austin with Walton's TV, and welcome to the VacMaster VP215 Chamber Vacuum Sealer product review at waltonsinc.com. Let's jump right in and quickly run through the specs on the VacMaster VP215. First off, we've got a heavy-duty quarter horsepower oil pump. We've got 10-inch removable seal bars, double seal wire, stainless steel body, digital controls, and an easy-to-read analog pressure gauge. A maximum vac bag size of 10 inches wide by 13 inches deep, with the entire chamber size being 11 inches wide and